Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best surfboard roof racks on Amazon. Surfboards, paddleboards, and longboards are a whole lot of fun, but they're not exactly portable. Trying to carry one in a regular-sized sedan is inconvenient at best. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Ikuram Surf Roof Carrier Rack. If you're a fan of water sports, the Ikuram Kayak Surf Ski Roof Carrier Rack is a great option. This J-cradle rack accommodates surfboards as well as stand-up paddle boards and kayaks up to 42 inches wide and 185 pounds, making it a versatile choice. It fits round, square and most oval-shaped factory-installed cross rails. This is a great rack because it features a fold-down design, which helps with overhead clearance in parking garages. The rack has thick padded rubber saddles to protect your equipment from getting damaged. It comes with bow stern safety tie-downs and heavy-duty straps. The rack is made of aviation-grade aluminum alloy that is lightweight and rust-resistant. It's also less expensive than a Yakima or Thule system. The biggest complaint about this rack is that the instructions are not very good, so assembly can be a bit of a challenge. Number 2. HandyRack Universal Inflatable Soft Roof Rack Bars. One person can easily install the HandyRack Universal Inflatable Soft Roof Rack Bars, which are compact enough to store in your vehicle's trunk. The bars can accommodate a surfboard, kayak, SUP, canoe, and snowboard, and have a load capacity of 175 pounds. These cross bars take just 5 minutes to install and don't require any tools or drilling. Since these bars are inflatable, they cushion the load. They fit a variety of vehicles, including Jeeps, Supras, Toyotas, and Volkswagens. You can use these bars with bare roofs, factory side rails, and panoramic roofs. They have an aerodynamic design to minimize drag and wind noise. Included in the package are 2 twin bars, a hand eye pump, 2 tie-down straps, 2 bow and stern lines, a storage bag, and an owner's manual. Users report that the rack is tough, durable, and easy to remove between trips. Number 3. Vexplo Portable Soft Roof Rack. The Vexplo Portable Soft Roof Rack Pads crossbars provide a comprehensive solution for safely transporting your valuable outdoor equipment. With its innovative design and attention to detail, this product offers a range of key features that set it apart from traditional roof rack systems. Installing the Vexplo Soft Roof Rack Pads crossbars is a breeze, even for those with limited technical skills. The product comes with a user-friendly guide and all the necessary hardware, ensuring a hassle-free installation process. Furthermore, these crossbars boast universal compatibility, fitting most vehicle models, including sedans, SUVs, hatchbacks, and more. Constructed with durability in mind, the Vexplo Soft Roof Rack Pads crossbars are built to withstand rugged outdoor conditions. The high-quality materials used in their construction, such as reinforced nylon and weather-resistant fabrics, ensure their longevity and reliability. Ensuring the safety of your gear during transportation is of utmost importance. The Vexplo Soft Roof Rack Pads crossbars feature a secure and adjustable tie-down system that keeps your equipment firmly in place. Number 4. Dorsal Wrap Rack Surfboard Roof Rack. This portable surfboard roof rack is perfect for carrying 2 to 3 surfboards on the roof of your car or SUV. The pads are 19 inches wide and have universal compatibility as long as your vehicle doesn't have a permanently installed roof rack. The rack comes with 2 soft pads that each have straps for securing it to your roof. The strap material is heavy-duty and capable of withstanding highway speeds. The entire rack is user-friendly and only takes minutes to install on the roof of your car or take off when not needed. Unfortunately, the stitching on this rack isn't as durable as the rest of the materials, which can lead to it coming undone. The straps also make a loud buzzing noise when you drive at faster speeds. Number 5. Curve Lockdown Roof Rack. The Curve Lockdown is a soft roof rack with a difference. Instead of being just a pad and a strap, this innovative design features extendable foam padded loops, which surround the board at both ends. Wrapped in its cocoon, the board can be strapped to the roof either directly through the doors or via roof rails, so it won't shift or flap around in the wind. Both the straps and the loops are cushioned with 1 inch of foam padding and a soft neoprene lining, offering maximum protection for your surfboard and your car roof. The extendable loops should hold 1 longboard or a maximum of 3 shortboards. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.